Sam, let's go. Step up now. Come on.
Let's do it, man. Yeah.
No, that ball hard. Go make it look tough. Come on, Sammy. Choke him off. Right there. Choke him off. Choke him off, Sam. Choke him off right there. Choke him off, Sam. Use your elbows, Sammy. Watch your choke off. Watch your choke. Watch your choke. Watch your choke. Use your elbows on him. Use your elbows, Sammy, right there. Use your elbows, Sam. Now stretch him out. Use your hand now. Wrap that wrist. Wrap the wrist. There you go. Use your elbow. Use your elbow, Sammy. Pound him out now, Sam. Pound him out now, Sam. There you go. Don't stop. Pound him out now. Watch your arm. Watch your arm. Watch your arm. Watch your arm. Get your arm out of there. Kill him deep. Get behind him, Sam. Behind him, Sam. Kill some knees, Sam. Get your head up, Sam. Get your head up. Put your hand behind his head. Put your hand behind his head. You gotta take that guy's name off your MySpace because you just got messed up, boy.
Yeah, it's like the longest word ever.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner of the second ball game.